Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat. Hey, I know you've been using the forks to break up that concrete for a while. Let's move to the next level and get you into a Bobcat HB 980 breaker. Nice size tool. Not only fits your skid steer, but if we switch the plate out, you can put this right on your excavator. Nice unit, compact size, and a big wallop. 502 pound weight, 1450 beats per minute. As far as impact energy class, it's a 500 foot-pound machine. 2.8 inch tool, comes with a nail point. This will fit your E32 to E55. It skid steers an S450 all the way up to a T770. No problem, wide range that you can mount this on. And save your back and neck. Give Tri-State Bobcat a call. There are all kinds of attachments out here. We've got everything you need to do the work that needs to be done. Tri-State Bobcat, Burnsville, Minnesota, Little Canada, Minnesota, and Hudson, Wisconsin. Thank you.